Our journey in Quebec starts at the impressive Parliament building of the National Assembly of Quebec. This remarkable structure is already the fifth Parliament building in the province, as earlier ones were either too small or destroyed by fire. The current Hôtel du Parlement is located slightly outside the charming old town. In front of the building there's a small park. Particularly striking is the Fontaine de Tourny, a beautiful fountain from Bordeaux which was gifted to Quebec for its 500th anniversary. The next highlight of our trip is the wooden Dufferin Terrace. The first thing to catch your eye here is the magnificent Château Frontenac, a luxury hotel built in 1893 as a railway hotel. The terrace also has a monument dedicated to Samuel de Champlain, a sailor and explorer from the 17th century. From the Dufferin Terrace you can enjoy a stunning view of the harbor and the ships on the St. Lawrence River. Just a few steps away, in the lower town, we find Place Royale. This historic square marks the site of the oldest French settlement in Quebec. Fur traders settled here and honored their French kings. The square is filled with history. Another highlight is the impressive mural inaugurated in 1999. Covering an area of 420 square meters, it attracts everyone's attention. The mural depicts 16 historical figures. It skillfully combines Quebec's history with modern art. On the banks of the St. Lawrence River, we discover the remains of the Batterie Royale. This defensive structure, built in the 18th century, reflects the military challenges Quebec faced in the past. With warm regards, I bid farewell. Greetings to everyone wherever you are.